Let's get ready to replace our air temp sensor. To do that, we're going to come right inside behind the front bumper. In front of where the radiator and the AC condenser is, you're going to find the air temp sensor. It's going to be very simple to replace. Now to start taking this out of here, we're going to have to grab onto it, and I'm going to push it towards the passenger side. I want to unlock it from its mounting position. Now for our locking tabs, ours has one ear that's broken off a little bit, so I can't pry on that one, but I can pry on the other one. So I'm going to use a small screwdriver and carefully get up against it. Now that I have my locking ear separated, I'll carefully try to separate the two areas. There it is, friends. Now that we have it out of there, let's have a close look at the wiring harness. You want to make sure you don't see any corrosion or damage. Assuming it looks good, let's get ready to install our brand new air temp sensor. Looking at the wiring harness, you can tell that it has a rounded area up along here, and it has a semi-flat area along where my thumb is going. And if you were to look at the sensor, you're going to see the exact same thing. That's going to help you make sure that you place it in the proper orientation. Let's get the sensor back on here. Make sure you match up the flat area with the flat area and the round area with the round area. Should want to slide right in there. There we are. Make sure that the locks are over the locking tabs. And now what we want to do is slide this back into position in the vehicle. If you were to spin this, you're going to find an area that looks just like this here. It has a little locking area on it, and if you were to look down at the body of the vehicle, you're going to be able to find exactly where it needs to slide onto. I'm going to take this and I'm going to bring it a little bit past the locking area. Push it down and slide it into the grooves. Slide it over, listen for a click, make sure it's secure so it can't fall off while you're driving down the road.